Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Firdaus. Mm, on this opportunity, I will discuss topics that are very relevant in this digital age, namely the impact of online games on interest in learning. If an increasingly digital world, we cannot ignore the big influence of technology, including online games. I will provide a view of both sides, both that supports that online games reduce interest in learning, or those who argue that online games do not always have a negative impact and can even provide benefit. On the one hand, there are concerns that online games can interfere with the learning process, save valuable time, and cause a decline in academic achievement. Students who are addicted to online games may spend more playing time than learning, which can have a negative impact on their learning outcomes. However, on the other hand, online games can provide various benefits such as improving cognitive skill, teamwork, and even creativity. Some studies have shown that online games can help in developing critical thinking skill and problem solving. Uh, we will discuss the negative impact of online game first. Number one, wasted time. Online games are often very addictive and can make players spend hours and in front of the screen. The time that should be used to learn or do schoolwork is actually diverted to play games. Number two, decreasing academic achievement. Studies show that students who spend a lot of time playing games tend to have lower grades compared to those who don't play games or play within reasonable limits. The concentration and focus that should be given to the lesson is reduced. Number three, concentration disorder. Online game can cause concentration disorder because players often think of strategy or continue of the game, even if they are in class or learning. Number four, negative effect on health. Addiction to online games can result in lack of sleep time, which has an impact on physical and mental health. Lack of lack of sleep can cause decreased cognitive ability and decreased learning performance. Number five, lack of involvement in extracurricular activity. Students who play too much online game tend to be less participating in extracurricular activity that can actually support their self-development and learning skill. Number six, disturbing mindset and discipline. Excessive online game playing habits can damage the mindset and discipline in learning. Students may prefer shortcut or fast way to complete assignment, which ultimately reduce the quality of learning. Number seven, social isolation. Too much playing online games can cause social isolation, where students prefer to interact virtually rather than directly with friends or family. This can reduce the opportunity for discussion and study with friends. Then, then we will discuss the positive impact of online games. Number one, improve cognitive skill. Many online games that require players to solve puzzle or find solution in complex situations, which can improve problem-solving skill. Games that require strategy and planning can help improve memory and critical thinking skill. Number two, social ability development. Many online games require teamwork and effective communication, which can develop social skill and student cooperation. Online games allow students to build global social network, which can be useful for their future. Number three, increase motivation and interest in learning. The concept of online games can be applied in education to increase learning motivation. For example, learning platforms that combine game elements such as point, level, and prize can make the learning process more interesting and fun. Some educate some educational games are designed to teach certain concepts, such as mathematics or history, through interactive and interesting way. Number four, time management and self-discipline. Playing online Playing online games teach students to manage their time, so they can continue to play but don't interfere with their academic obligation. Students who actively play online games also learn how to balance the time between entertainment and learning, which is an important life skill. Number five, encourage creativity. Some games allow users to create their own content, such as building a world in games, which can encourage creativity and innovation. Games with complex narrative teach players to appreciate the art of storytelling and can encourage interest in the fields of literature and art. Number six, stress relief. Online games can be an effective way to reduce stress and provide mental rest need from intense learning activity. By playing online games, students can relax and release tension, which can have a positive impact on their overall mental health. Number seven, access to new knowledge. Some online games allow players to explore virtual world that educate and broaden their horizon about various topics. Many games that allow interaction with players from all over the world, which can help students learn new language and different cultures. In my opinion, the impact of online games on learning interests is not one dimension. While there are valid concerns about the potential negative impacts such as decreased academic achievement and health problems, there are also many positive benefits that can be obtained with wise use. Online games can be an effective learning tool and a means to develop various skills if used properly. Therefore, it is important to find a healthy balance in the use of online games correctly. Therefore, it is important to find a healthy balance in the use of online games by prioritizing good time management and appropriate supervision to maximize its benefit and minimize the negative impact. With this balanced view, we can understand that only games do not have to always be seen as a threat to interest in learning, but can also be an opportunity for innovation in education.